Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Audi A7. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include Sport Package, Cold Weather Package, Automatic Climate Control, Bluetooth, MP3 Player, Sirius Satellite Radio, Anti-Lock Brakes, Cruise Control, Power Steering, Universal Remote, Moonroof, Leather Seats, Power Door Locks, Stability Control, Traction Control, Navigation System, and Power Windows.